Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You're in Canva and ready to stop motion. Start by opening the design on desktop so full controls are available. Once open, scan each page for element level or page animations and duplicate any pages you'll edit. This keeps a backup. You want to work incrementally, so select one page and inspect the Animate menu. If nothing is selected, the page animation controls still apply. Make sure to switch off auto preview so you can focus on settings without the timeline jumping. Now you'll remove motion step by step. Click an animated element, open the Animate panel, and choose None to stop element motion. This prevents entrance and emphasis effects. Then click the page background or use the page menu to set page animation to none, removing slide level movement. If transitions or duration controls exist, set timing to 0 or the shortest available to avoid residual motion. Once done, scrub through pages slowly to confirm frames, remain static and consistent across. Finish by previewing the entire design and exporting a short MP4 or GIF to verify there's no motion. If you still see movement, ungroup complex groups and inspect each child element for leftover animation, including hidden layers or stickers. Make sure to check component libraries and uploaded videos, replace or set them to static images if needed. If settings won't save, clear your browser cache or close and reopen Canva. This often resolves UI state issues and ensures your changes stick.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.